kids! Welcome to Easy Kids Art. Today we are drawing a cute T-Rex dinosaur. Let's start with the eye. Draw one big round eye. Then draw the nose and a big smiling mouth with sharp teeth. Next, draw the head around the face. Now, draw the big dinosaur body. Add the tiny hands and strong legs with claws. Then draw the long tail behind the dinosaur. Great job! Now it's time to color. Color the dinosaur with bright green. Use light yellow for the tummy and lower mouth. Add darker green patterns on the back and tail. Color the mouth with red and the teeth with white. The ground with light brown and the grass with green. And done! Your cute T-Rex dinosaur is ready! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. See you in the next drawing. Bye!